Students, good morning to all. Today we are going to learn about isomerism of coordination compounds. Last classes I discussed structural isomerism and geometrical isomerism of coordination compounds. Now, today I am going to discuss optical isomerism of coordination compounds. So, optical isomerism, optical isomerism of coordination compounds. Coordination compounds. Optical isomerism of coordination compounds. First of all, what is the meaning of optical isomerism? These compounds which rotate the plane polarized light, that units are known as optical isomers. That process is known as optical isomerism. Experimentally, those compounds which rotates the plane polarized light, okay, experimentally those compounds which rotate the plane polarized light, that type of units are known as optical isomers. That process is known as optical isomerism. Okay, in generally, so many organic compounds are taken. This is a definition, similar definition for optical isomers. And to calculate the number of optical isomers, so like two ends are different, two ends are same, means the stereocarbons are even number and odd number. So many formulas are there. But still, in this concept, only which type of compounds are known as optical isomers. Which type of complexes are known as optical isomers. Now, optical isomers means that compound rotate the plane polarized light. That compound is known as optical isomer. That process is known as optical isomerism. Okay, in this optical isomerism exhibits both compounds like tetrahedral complexes, tetrahedral, tetrahedral complexes and octahedral complexes also. First, I am going to discuss tetrahedral complexes. So, what is the meaning of tetrahedral complexes? Tetrahedral complexes means any coordination compound, any coordination compound containing four ligands, any coordination compound containing four ligands, any coordination compound containing four ligands, the type of complexes are known as, the type of complexes are known as tetrahedral complexes. So, on the basis of ligands, on the basis of ligands, on the basis of ligands, such complexes are exhibits sphere planar shape. Such complexes are exhibits sphere planar shape. For example, this complex like beryllium related complex is observed. This is a beryllium related complex. Okay, this is a beryllium related complex. See the structure. 1 2 2 plus 2 4. Okay, bisphenyl aceto complex. So these in left hand side, this is a bidentate ligand, totally bisphenol acetato beryllium 2 complex. This is IUPAC name is bisphenyl acetate beryllium 2 complex. Okay, this is the IUPAC name in this compound. So this complex is observed in left hand side. This complex is observed in left hand side. One bidentate ligand is there. This is a one bidentate ligand. This is one bidentate ligand. This is another bidentate ligand. This is another bidentate ligand. Means each ligand containing two donor sites and each ligand to donate 2 electron pairs. Totally 4 donor sites are there in this complex. This point is based on, this is known as tetrahedral complexes. And a few ligands are observed. That ligand involves for the given coordination compound. That type of complexes shows square planar geometry. The type of complexes shows square planar geometry. Okay, so another example is taken like a square planar geometry. Square planar geometry. Square planar geometry. PH CH 1 2 means this is a diamino complex. This is a diamino complex. So the diamino complex is PH CH NH2 PH CH NH2 1 2 3 4. Carbon valence is 4, that is satisfied. So this is a platinum. Okay, and next one NH2 CH CH NH2 PH PH. So in these two structures are observed. This structure containing 4 donor sites means 4 monodentate ligands are there. So but in this structure shows tetrahedral geometry. And case 2, this structure is clearly observed. So both sides, like a left hand side and a right hand side, both sides are clearly observed. Both sides are clearly observed. The left hand side containing 2 donor sites and the right hand side also containing 2 donor sites. Totally in this complex 4 donor sites are there. Means 4 ligands, monodentate ligands are there. So both are similar. This complex containing 4 donor sites, this complex containing 4 donor sites. So like this is a 1 2 3 4. Totally 4 donor sites are there. This complex is observed. This is also containing 4 donor sites. 1 2 3 4. These two structures are similar. This complex containing 4 donor sites. This is also containing 4 donor sites. But what is the difference in these two complexes? These two complexes shows optical isomerism. These two complexes shows optical isomerism. But what is the difference in these two complexes? Generally, geometrical isomerism do not show tetrahedral complexes. Only the geometrical isomerism shows square planar complexes. But In this isomerism, like optical isomerism, shows both complexes like tetrahedral complexes and octahedral complexes, sorry, no, square planar complexes. Why? What is the reason? So only one reason is there. This is the tetrahedral complex. This is also exhibits a tetrahedral shape. Square planar complexes means, so this complexes is square planar complexes. Why? This is exhibits some planarity. This complex is exhibits some planarity. These ligands are aligned on the plane. That point is based on these molecules are also exhibits optical isomerism. Okay, these molecules are also exhibits optical isomerism. Okay, this is the optical isomerism for tetrahedral complexes. And next one, I am going to discuss about optical isomerism for octahedral complexes. Optical isomerism, optical isomerism for octahedral complexes. Optical isomerism for octahedral complexes. Students, what are the meaning for octahedral complexes? What is the meaning for octahedral complexes? Octahedral complex means the given coordination compound containing 6 ligands. The given coordination compound containing 6 ligands. That type of complexes are known as octahedral complexes. Okay, the given coordination compound containing 6 ligands. That type of complexes are known as octahedral complexes. Okay, generally these octahedral complexes are shows optical isomerism. For example, one of the octahedral complex is taken. So the platinum is a central atom for this given coordination compound. This complex is clearly observed. This complex containing 6 ligands. This is the coordination compound. This is one of the octahedral complex. 2 pyridinium ions are bind one side of the given coordination compound, and 2 ammonia amine ligands are bind one side of the coordination compound, and 2 chlorine atoms are bind another side of the coordination compound. So clearly observed, this type of complex is general formula is Ma2B2C2. Ma2B2C2. So this type of complexes are exhibits optical isomerism. And actually this type of complexes are shows, these are shows geometrical isomerism also, but these complexes means the given coordination compound having this general formula like Ma2B2C2, that complexes are shows optical isomerism. And these complexes are exhibit some planarity. These complexes are exhibit some planarity. And actually these complexes are shows, these complexes or shows center axis of symmetry. Center axis of symmetry. And next one, this complex another form is observed. This complex another form is observed. Platinum is central atom for the given coordination compound. One of the ligand is pyridinium, and another one is chlorine, and another one is another chlorine, and next one ammonia, and pyridinium, and NH3. Generally, this complex do not exhibits mirror image is equal to each other. Two complexes are taken in similar form. These are not mirror images equal to each other. That forms are known as diastereomers, but diastereomers are shows optical isomerism, but these forms are exhibit some diastereomeric forms, and the first form is exhibits enantiomeric form. So that is exhibits some enantiomeric nature, that mirror images are equal to each other rotated with 180 degrees. This complex rotated with 180 degrees, mirror images are equal to each other. That forms are known as enantiomeric forms. Few enantiomeric forms are exhibits optical isomerism, but most probably these complexes are observed by using mirror. This complex do not shows mirror images equal to each other, means these molecules do not equal to mirror images. The type of units are known as diastereomers. The type of units are known as diastereomers. So these mirror images are equal to each other. This is known as enantiomers. So few enantiomers are exhibits mirror images. Few enantiomers are exhibits optical isomerism, but most probably all diastereomers are exhibits optical isomerism. Okay, octahedral complexes are shows optical isomerism. Most probably the coordination compound octahedral complex general formula is similar to Ma2B2C2. The type of forms are easily exhibits optical isomerism, and otherwise most probably do not exhibits optical isomerism. Okay, now once again recall in these points. So first, what is the meaning of optical isomerism? Optical isomerism means the compound or the coordination compound or the complex which rotate the plane polarizer light. That compound is known as optically active compound. Okay, optical active compound. That process is known as optical isomerism. In generally, the coordination compound or complexes are subdivided into two categories: tetrahedral complexes and octahedral complexes. Tetrahedral complexes means the coordination compound containing 4 ligands. That complexes are known as tetrahedral complexes. But a few ligands are exhibit some planar shape. That planarity containing ligands are involving 4 ligands. That ligands are planar shape. That ligands involving in any coordination compound, that compound shape is square planar shape. So in these two complexes, like tetrahedral complex or square planar shape complexes, both compounds are exhibits optical isomerism. Okay, so example, so this complex is a tetrahedral complex. This shape is tetrahedral shape. This complex is square planar complexes, both having 4 ligands, means 4 monodentate ligands. So are 2 bidentate ligands, means both are having 4 donor sites, and both properties are similar, but a quite difference is The shape is differ. This is the tetrahedral shape. This is a square planar shape. Okay, students. Next, these two complexes are exhibits optical isomerism, but optical isomerism in octahedral complexes. Students, what is the meaning of octahedral complex? First of all, what is the meaning of octahedral complex? The octahedral complex means the given coordination compound containing 6 ligands. The type of complexes are known as octahedral complex. Okay, see the structure. So the structure general form is similar to Ma2, B2, C2. M is the central atom for the given coordination compound. So, two pyridinium ions, two amino ions, two chloride ions. The similar ligands are attained same side of the coordination compound. So, the structures are observed clearly by using mirror. So, these units are mirror images equal to each other. That units are known as enantiomers. Some enantiomers are exhibits optical isomerism. Okay, fit. This is exhibits optical isomerism. This type of units are exhibits optical isomerism. In this coordination octahedral complexes, so the structure, the ligand position is differ. Means one of the trans position is there. Opposite ligands are arranged in opposite side around the central atom in the given molecule, given coordination compound. So these units, these molecules are observed by using mirror. These units are mirror images, do not equal to each other. The type of units are known as stereoisomers. Diastereomers. Diastereomers are exhibits optical